Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done speaking at Gill Elementary School here in Farmington Hills, Michigan. The focus today was on diversity, in particular, like the shirt says here, need, human kindness, that we're able to see that in everybody around us and really show that. And it does start right in the center of our heart, that we respect diversity on the inside and on the outside. All the ways that we may be different, if we walk different, talk different, see different, learn different, hear different, different skin color, whatever it is that kind of separates us exterior wise, but also interior, inside, our gifts, our talents, our abilities, what we're good at, what we're not good at, that we still can appreciate that and value that and honor that inside of everybody around us. Like it says here on the wall, we got be kind, be responsible, be safe. And the way that we try to make this place a little bit safer, and there was a lot of tears today, a lot of emotion, but students that really didn't feel comfortable with, for whatever reason prior to me coming, that they had something on their hearts. And maybe it was because they were born a little bit different for whatever reason, but they were able to share that with their classmates, and then their classmates supported them and said that we still love you, we still see you as beautiful people, beautiful human beings, we still see you for the miracle in all of our palms, right? M for miracle, W upside down for worthy, that we're worthy of love, worthy to give it, worthy to receive it. We can always do this. And like it says too at the elementary, I love this, right in their hallway outside the media center, it says Gill stands for guidance, stands for guiding, inspiring, learning, and leading. And that's the way that these students and staff here at this elementary school are inspiring this world, inspiring this planet by choosing to be kind and choosing to be responsible citizens of this earth and make it a safer place for everybody around us. You guys touch my heart. You guys are beautiful miracles. Never stop believing in your value and your worth. You guys touch my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon one day. Until then, much love. Peace.